Hello there. So you have created a character in Character.AI, but you don't like it and you would like to delete it. So here's how you are going to achieve that. Simply head over to beta.character.ai first of all, and make sure you're logged into your account. And then on the main page, on the top, you will see all the characters which you have created. So simply open the character you would like to delete by tapping on them. And once you're here on this chat screen, simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner here and click on the remove messages. So you can remove all the messages you would like, and then you can click on that three dots again, and now view character settings. And here you can give them another name, so your character will be replaced. So basically you're replacing that character with something else entirely, and hence deleting that. Well, exactly, there is no straightforward way, so this is how you can achieve that by replacing the character. For example, my character was originally my AI chat, but I wanted to delete it and I wanted to have a different character instead. So I will say my new chat buddy. And you can also add a lot of other things or change them, whatever you would like. So it's basically like creating a whole new character and deleting another one without even having to delete the character in the first place. Once you're done here and you have everything you need, simply click on the save button and that's it, you're done. If you come back, you can see your character has been replaced successfully. Well, this is how you delete a character in Character.AI. I really hope you enjoyed the video and took some value. Make sure to check out this video. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.